Gadget Features.
Xmaxx, the ultimate monster truck. With 30+ volts of extreme 8S power, Xmaxx defies physics, unleashing jaw-dropping acceleration and 50+ mph speeds. Engineered to conquer the most extreme terrain and take brutal real-world punishment in stride, Xmaxx is the definition of Traxxas tough. Extreme power at Traxxas. Too much power is never enough. The durability of the new VXL-8s is matched only by the sheer ferocity of its 8's 30+ volt dual lipo muscle. No matter what you have driven in the past, nothing will prepare you for Xmaxx. Innovation, insightful engineering, and precise integration of innovative solutions set Xmaxx in an all-new category of superior performance. It's as satisfying and rewarding to use as it is fun and exciting to drive.